Can you please come get me a towel? Out of the closet in the hallway? Are you coming?
Coming. I'm up here. Oh. Oh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, Daddy, get it out.
I got a fish. That's my other one ran away. What? Got away. Got away. Got away.
And it's kind of pink. Where are we going to put them at?
What? Can we put it in my room?
Yep.
Awesome. Do we feed it when it